Alright, so we're just going to do this little experiment, see if we can't see the different layers in soil. So I got myself some soil from the field, okay, and I'm going to pour it into this jar. Let's do that, about halfway. Try to spill too much. Alright, there's the light brown colour. It's quite a sandy one. It's about half full, it's pretty good. Alright, now what I'm going to do is pour some water in it. I don't know if you can see that, but I filled the jar up mostly with water. Let's put the lid on. Okay. Now all that's left to do is give it a good shake. Hopefully the lid's on properly. Nope. Give it a shake. Turn upside down. Ooh. Okay, get the water in there. Alright, give it a shake, shake, shake. Alright, lovely. So, we're going to leave that now and see what it looks like tomorrow. Okay.